The more we talk to people, the more people are telling us, I know what the founder's trap is. It's like it's over and over and over again that
Mhm.
people have either heard of it or they're like, oh my gosh, that's exactly how I feel. We had a podcast recently that did so well with that. So, we don't really talk about founder's trap that much because we're really talking about how we help successful people understand what's missing. But a lot of times for newer business owners, I'm talking those ones that are, 3 to 5 years in their business, they've had some success. The founder's trap is really the thing that they're like, holy shit, that's the problem I have. I am the best employee in my own company.
Mhm.
So it's just been interesting how many people, there was a carpet cleaning company we met the other day, and he was like, "Yeah, I saw that on your website. I know exactly what you're talking about." We were out at a lunch speaking to somebody, and they were like, "Yes, I've heard of the Founders Trap before. I think that's me."
Mhm.
That plumber we met. That plumber, he owns a
Yep.
plumbing franchise. He never heard of it, and we explained it. He's like, "Yes, this is it." We had a printer, like guy who owned a printing franchise. I think it was a Minuteman printer, and we explained it. He's like, "Everything you're saying, that's me." And that's the problem, man, is you take all those skills, all that expertise, all this energy and effort, and you push it in and you build a successful company. But then it's like, shit, I'm doing everything. Now what do I do? And that's really the issue. It's now what do I do? And most people they think what's missing, because that's how you answer now what do I do? It's what's missing. Right? That's how you get to the next level of success. What is missing? And what they usually think is, oh, it's just this employee to do the thing that I hate doing. And that's never really it, right, Tom?